Good day, guys. Being here. I'm back. Got COVID, but all good now. So today I'm going to do a ceiling exercise. I did this one quite a while ago, and then at that time, there's no sound. It's quite hard to follow. So today I'm going to just do it with sound, and also trying to make it easier. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to create a project. Okay, so okay. So sorry, I opened it 2024. Anyway, so when we create a ceiling, so usually let's just create some wall first. Okay, so WA wall, and then let's just pick a wall. I'll just use some standard generic wall, and maybe I'll just make another wall in the middle. So we're going to do two rooms. So usually when we create a ceiling, so you can see this automatic ceiling. Automatic ceiling is so it will automatically pick these walls and place a ceiling at this level. Okay, and then when you click here, it will tell you, oh, it's not visible, because currently we are in a floor plan and the view level is the eye level is 23 and cut at 1200, so you won't be able to see the ceiling. So that's why you have this warning. So another option is you can go to the ceiling plan. Okay, so now you can see this ceiling. So let's just create another ceiling. So automatic. So you can see it. Sometimes it won't work. So it depends on the level of the ceiling. So for example, currently we have all this wall around at this level. There's always a wall. So if I'll try to explain to you. So if at this level, so I'll just have a high wall. So I'll make it 2700. Okay, so 2700, and what's that for? I'll just align that. Okay, so if we have this one and go back to the ceiling plan, create a ceiling, so you will see we won't be able to create a automatic ceiling, because at 2600 we miss this wall, right? So but you still have an option, so you can change this one. So because we have a 27 high wall, so if I place this ceiling at 27, so now we can do it again. So let's create, have a look again, and that's it. So okay, so this is some basic about ceiling. So let me just change this one back, 4 meter high. Okay, so now we're going to create, sometimes we need to create different height ceiling, so and we can have some like hidden lining. So let's just do it. First let's just make it both 2700 high. Okay, so and to do that, we are going to create some wall. So I like to do it in 3D view, but if you're not familiar with 3D view, so you can always go to a ceiling plan, so you can just offset, but it's very similar. So but before that, I like to have separate wall for different room. So let's just do it. Split. I'll just split these two wall, trim TR, and this TR and this. So the reason why to have separate wall is I like to. So for example, when I need to offset this wall, so will offset this individual one. It won't be this one. Okay, so the full length. So let's offset OF, type OF, and then I'm going to maybe just make 200. Okay, so 200, and then let's just try to, you can, so if you click on top, it's basically like a floor plan, right? So, and then you can just tab, so you can just do it all at once. So we have 1 2 3 4 for offset, and then we can select all these. So for example, I'll just start them at 2700 and then make it like maybe 200 high, right? So now, and we need to change, so because this one, we need to change this one to stop here. So we can just edit boundary. So we're going to delete all these lines. So we can just use pick walls, tab, select, and that's, so you can try to, so click on this, so you can see you can adjust to the edge of the ceiling. So and also you can select them to use the extend into wall. So because these are just generic like wall, there's only one layer, so that I think that's why. So you don't have this. It won't. You can still change this by one, but there will be no difference. But if we, so let me just have a look. I'll select all, and then I'll see if there's a start wall. Okay, so start wall with like plaster board finish. Maybe, oh, there's no. So maybe I'll just use a timber start wall 90 and edit type. I'll add a layer, so go up, change it to finish for plaster. So I just try to JY gypsum board. Okay, so it's too narrow. Okay, so I'll Control C, and then we just insert another one, change it to 4, go down, and oops, sorry. Yeah, that's it. Change the thickness for now, just top 10, and that's it. So you can see, so this is exterior, so this is interior side. Okay, so finish. So now let's have a look. So maybe I'll just do a section box. Okay, go up, go there. So now you can see we have this wall, and we have this ceiling, but you can see they are overlapping, right? So we can, and also let me think, we probably don't need this one to go to the edge. Yeah, so that's good, that's okay. Click on section box again, edit boundary, select all of them, so we can use extend into wall, into core, so which means, so it will extend to the face of core. So in this one, the core is this, so you can see core boundary, right? So it means it will snap the so we can't see the layer here because we have detail level at cores. So let's change it to median. So now you can see them. So this is plasterboard. So we probably don't need plasterboard there, but yeah, that's fine. And also this is let me just change, maybe I'll change the ceiling type. So instead of this 600 by 600 grid, I'll change it to maybe a plan and have a look at yeah, so that's yeah, same material, right? So now we can just join them. So just be careful where you join them, so it will be different if you, so click ceiling first, click wall, so you can see this is what we have. Okay, so I'll Control Z. If we click wall first and click on ceiling, it's the same. Anyway, so if you want to change the what's that called, order, so you can just do here. So join, switch, and okay, but I think in this scenario this is fine. And also maybe we can just change the material to match that. So let's have a look, edit, and I'll just Control C, and then I'll just Control V to change to match that material. This is metal, that's fine. I'll change to timber as well. So now you can see it will get rid of that line. So now we have this. Yeah, let's ignore this plaster wall, and then we can just create the top one. So so we can, let's just do it here. So we can just select this ceiling, CS, create similar. So I don't think we will be able to create automatic ceiling. Even we change the height, I don't think it will work. Oh, it works in the middle, but yeah, no. So we're going to use sketch ceiling, and then we're going to pick this pick walls. Okay, so now click on pick wall, select 1, 2, okay, so 8 walls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so and also now you can see that why I would like to have these walls separate. This wall, this one, and this one. This is because when I pick wall, it will only pick this line. If they are not separate, it will be this from here to here, and then I need to trim them. Okay, so now we just need to double check. So select one of this line, click on this, flip. I think no, we don't need. We just need this ceiling to stop here, and same this one. We just need them to stop here. So we need this one ceiling to be here. So click finish, and then let's have a look. Let's just adjust this section box again. Okay, so maybe we need to lower this. So yeah, so maybe just lower this. Alt V, move it down, and then that's 8. Oh, hang on, maybe yeah. Of course, in reality, you won't need to see a plasterboard. The plasterboard probably stop here, and then here stop here. But yeah, so maybe for this one, we can just select all these 4 and pick this. Check the box of extend into wall to core, finish, and then you can see it will all overlap with this plasterboard, and then you can join them if you wanted to. Okay, so yeah, and I'm not sure about this. Let me think. What's the best way? Yeah, if I edit boundary, if I select this one, if I check this box, finish this. So it will overlap with this, but if I join them, and then we won't be able to get rid of this. But if I'll try if I can attach top. This will change this one. But I don't think there's an easy way. So if this happens, I won't worry too much about this. But in a section, if I go to section, let's go to ground floor. I'll just cut a section. View section here. So if I go to section, go to this view, so and change the detail level to medium. So you have a tool to just hide this. So it's on the view. Okay, on the view, cut profile. So with this tool, you can pick this, and then you just need to draw this. I'm not sure about the arrow. Let's finish it. Doesn't work. Okay, so because it's already separate, we need to unjoin them. So okay, let's just unjoin geometry. Click on this. Okay, with this, right, and then we can just use view and cut profile. Click on this profile. So this is a plaster, and then we can just draw a line here, and then so whichever the arrow the side the arrow head side will be kept, and the other side will be hidden. So it's hidden. Okay, it's hidden in this view, but it's still there in the model. So if I go select this one, click on section box, so you will see it's still still there, still plasterboard. So if I cut a little bit here, so you can see that's the finish. That's a plasterboard. So the model is still the same, but only in the view, it's hidden. Okay, so I think so. Yeah, I think that's it. So because we create all these two ceiling with pick wall. So the good thing about pick wall is if I adjust this one. So for example, I want to increase this bit. So all these ceilings, so you can see the ceiling will follow this wall. Okay, so you just need to move, and that's it. It's not joined. Maybe let's join them. Okay, so I move this wall. Okay, so it will follow, right? And same this one. Let's join them. When I move this wall, so both ceiling will follow this wall. Even you can rotate if you want to, right? So still following this wall. Okay, so and yeah, I think that's it. So if you want to do them like it's different, or this is lower level, this is higher, so you can do the same. So let me just change to 3 meter, right? And then we just need to adjust this wall. So maybe move this one to 27. So and move this one to 2842, I think. Yeah, so you can quite easily do it. So now you can see we have some issue with the material. So when this happens, so you have I think yeah, let me just check. So this ceiling stop at this level, core face of the core. So in this scenario, I think we can just flip this to this side, so there will be plasterboard. So let's edit boundary. So select this one. So you see this, click on this and finish, and that's it. So now you can see there's plasterboard, and still that's join issues. So let's just join them. Still there's a little line here, still not it's showing the I think that's default wall, but it's not showing the plaster board. So what you can do is just paint it. Okay, so just use a paint PT, or you can go to modify paint PT and go find this one. So yeah, and then just paint it. Okay, and it will have a very nice clean edge, so all plasterboard. There's no double lines anywhere. I think this is it. Yep. If you have any questions, please let me know. And okay, so because I did all these in 3D view, right? So if you're not familiar, you can do this in ceiling plan. So you will see all these walls. So, okay, so you can just do it here. So it will be the same. Oops. Trying to pick that wall. Yeah, so that's join, just need to join them. That's another line because currently the material is different. So if once we paint this with the still that long, still there. Yeah, not sure. Maybe we can just. So sometimes when you join, after you paint the material, if is that right? Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's here. Okay, so you can see this is already plasterboard and this is plasterboard, and then we still see that line between them. So when this happens, you can use the switch join order. Try this one. So okay, so try this and click on this wall and click on this ceiling. Okay, so it's no longer there. Let's check. So it's also not there. So yeah, so this most of the time we'll fix this. Okay, so let's just find another one to do it again. So now you can see this in materials different, right? So this is plasterboard, this is default wall. Click on this, paint. We use the same material as this, and click on this. So the lines still there. Just use join geometry, switch join order. Click on this. So if you want to make sure, because this will change the order of the join, so you might when you cut a section, you might see different structure changed. Okay, so you can just do that one more time. Okay, so this will change it back. So I think that's it. Last one, paint. All good. There's a line. Switch, and just make sure you do it twice. So yeah, all good. So yeah, so it looks like this one needs to be switched, although it looks like fine, but I think the structure might be wrong. So let me just do a section box. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's wrong. So we switched the order, the join order. So we just need to switch them back. So click on ceiling, click on wall. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, so this is it. Very simple exercise. Can be quite useful, especially when you're not sure about the the final design. You need to adjust the ceiling. So this is quite easy to work with. Okay, so and so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.